So the next thing is that I should make some plots. Now, since I have finished doing this, it's a good idea to copy paste these lines back to my script file in case I need them later. So I was not very sure if I was doing things correctly. That's why I wrote them directly in the command prompt, not to clutter my script file. So I'll just convert things back. Yes. So I read the file, then I created the combined file. Now I will make a plot. So plot height, length, and this length tilde width and all lab. So let's see what I get. I have this plot. I get two lines kind of parallel as I expected. Now it would be nice if I can see them more or less clearly, so that the two labs are given to different colors. So I will give it color equal to, I will use which one? Level. Lab. So let's try it again, see what I get. Now I get two different colors. I get black and I get red. Of course, you can use other colors. You can look up the help of plot to see how the colors are chosen. But by default, it will automatically give you these two colors. And if there are three, it will choose three colors and so on. So I've got two parallel lines. Fine. So what should I do now? I can try to fit my linear model, but there is a little problem. You remember, these things are actually factors, but since I've encoded them as 1 and 2, it will think that these are actually numbers. So 1 is the number, 2 is double 1, and things like that. But that is really not, lab 2 is 2 times lab 1. These are just used as a nominal level. That's a factor. So we should better tell R that we are working with factors. So I will do that. So I will say, what did I call it? Lab. Now I can use this syntax, which is save some typing. I will write with all lab. That is, I am working with the all lab data set, and I want to say lab is actually a factor. Lab is a factor version of lab. So with all lab, lab becomes a factor lab. Apparently nothing will really change. Oops, sorry. I gave eval substitute expression. That's always the problem. Yes. So in this case, because I am writing it inside a function, I have to use this arrow notation. So this will work. So either you can use this, or if you want, you can use the more verbose version, which is this: all lab $lab equal to factor all lab $lab. That's also possible. It will have the same effect. So both will have the same effect, that now it understands that lab is actually a factor. If you want to know that it is indeed that thing, you can, well, just print all lab. Nothing will change really. It still looks like 1, 2, etc. I think you can see it if you type class all lab $lab. It says it's a factor. But if on the other hand you try length, then it says it is numeric. So now it understands it's a factor. Okay, so we are now in a position to apply our linear model.